Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white color, and this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, the black appearance package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got dual exhaust, tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a bed step as well, with mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated, and blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front. We do get a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing, two tow hooks with the license plate bracket. There's a block heater back there, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with that B&O Sound System. You've got cup holders, a 12-volt, 2 USB seats, and 120. And of course, you can lift up the seats for additional storage, and you do get a flat fold storage system. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have powered seats, the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space. We do have a parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, spotlights, and tailgate opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 17.2 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have my view, trip and feel, your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Taking a look to my right here, we have a leather-wrapped gear shift, speed adjusters. It's also collapsible with storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with the USB, USB-C, and more storage. We do have a leather-wrapped center console that does turn into an interior work surface, as well as you do get storage underneath. We do have our drive modes, rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist. You have heated front seats with dual climate, a 12-volt and 120. Got a secret storage compartment, storage below, storage right here, and we do get a nice rear window opener. And well, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which does provide excellent lighting for the vehicle. Here we have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, BLUECRUISE right there and right there. Looking at our screen here, we do have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation, your fave apps such as messaging, email, all that fun stuff. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB38756, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.